When our customers are happy, we are happy. And when they write us to tell us why they're so happy, we're happy to share it. They were so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review.
Hello, welcome to Jared's. What's your name?
Hi, my name is Phil Bontemps.
Phil, where are you from?
I live in Littleton.
You live in Littleton. So what brings you to Jared's today?
Well, we were looking through the Columbine Courier and we saw there was a sale, so we just came to check it out and get ready for spring and the planting season.
So it sounds like this is your first time here.
I've been here before, but this is the first time this year. Yeah.
Okay. So can you remember the first time that brought you here?
Boy, years ago. I can't remember exactly. I've been living in the area for 20 years, so long time ago.
Well, there's a reason you keep coming back. What do you think that reason is?
Yeah, well, it's a lot of selection, and like I say, the promotion today at least is pretty good. So I like the promotion of all the trees you guys have available.
Yeah, you said earlier that you're going to be coming back and getting some trees.
Yeah, we're going to go look at your website and see what trees are available and what they look like when they're actually leafed up in bloom, and then come back and see which ones we want.
Fantastic. So if you have the opportunity, will you tell your friends and neighbors and fellow co-workers
Sure.
about Jared's?
Sure.
Wonderful. Hey, thanks so much for sharing.
All right, you bet.
Find out how our thousands of hours of knowledge and experience can help you. We value your business and we want to show you why. We appreciate you stopping by and watching, and we're happy to answer any questions you may have. We're only one call away from serving you.